A nifty feature included within the text element is to switch your text to uppercase. Let's talk about what is uppercase. I'll select this text element over here, and from the options toolbar, you will see this one that says capitalize. What it's going to do is turn all your letters within that text element to uppercase. Select it, and you see they all go to capital letters as we know them. And to deactivate that, simply toggle it again. If you only want a certain part of this text to be capitalized, select it and then select capitalize, and you will see only that part will be in uppercase. This is useful when we are working with headings like this, and I want everything to stand out nicely. I'll just go around and put them all in capitals with the uppercase option. To learn all the ins and outs of the Brizy Builder, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you at brizy.io. Until next time.